awful down here. يا أمنا A powerful earthquake has rocked Nepal, killing and injuring scores of people. Many more are feared trapped under rubble amid widespread scenes of devastation. The quake, the strongest to hit the Himalayan nation in more than 80 years, struck just before noon local time. Its epicenter was 80 kilometers east of Nepal's second largest city, Pokhara. The 7.9 magnitude quake was shallow, just 2 meters deep, and that intensified its force. Damage has been reported in neighbouring countries, evidence of the power it unleashed. The quake also triggered an avalanche on Mount Everest, which killed at least 8 people as it swept through a base camp for climbers. Hospitals in Nepal's capital, Kathmandu, are being overwhelmed with the injured. Streets now becoming makeshift wards as quake victims continue to pour in for treatment. This stump is all that's left of the historic Daharara Tower in the city. What was a 14-storey structure is now unrecognisable. The death toll is expected to rise. Nepal's mountainous terrain is hampering search and rescue efforts, with many areas yet to be reached. Communications are also poor, meaning it's too early to know the full scale of this disaster.
The frantic search for survivors goes on round the clock, following Nepal's biggest earthquake in 80 years. The injured were brought to hospitals in trucks and on rickshaws. The hospitals are so inundated, though, they're running out of space. Amateur video captured the moment the earthquake struck and the ensuing panic.
The ground shook quite hard for, I would say, possibly about 30 seconds. Looking around, I happened to be outdoors at the time. Trees were waving like crazy, like it was a hurricane or something like that.
The capital, Kathmandu, is an ancient city with a rich cultural heritage, much of it now in ruins. The 19th century Dorara Tower, built by Nepalese royalty. And this is what's left, a World Heritage Site where teams now look for bodies. In another rescue operation, the first helicopter arrived at Mount Everest Base Camp, where climbers and guides were killed after the quake triggered an avalanche. As rescuers raced to find survivors, a major international aid effort has been prepared. Britain, the United States and Pakistan among the countries sending in teams to help. With the number of dead rising, it's clear that help is needed fast. Nick Qureshi, BBC News.